All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me, and we're going to discuss Paul Hall. Now, before I get to that, follow us on our social people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, do all the necessaries that yeah, all that stuff. But what's happening right now is that we all know there was uncertainty around Paul Hall, and we have now got the official confirmation in regards to what's happening. If he will be conducting this having the squad in regards to moving forward with the 4-team tournament. But this is what the Gleaner said, people. So let's head on to that. It's not the full article. It's not the full article. I do apologize for that. You have to pay to get the full article. Actually, so basically you have to pay for news. Yeah, you have to pay for news. So, and I don't really have the money to do that. So, but most definitely, I have already gotten the information surrounding. I did do a video on it already. So this is what happened. This is what it states. Hall will not be in charge. Reggae Boyz to play in mini tournament in Austria, August 20th to 26th, but Hall will not be in charge. So this is the more in depth, some part of the details in regards to what's happening. It says Jamaica interim senior men's coach Paul Hall will not be in charge of the Reggae Boyz when the team travels to Austria for a mini football tournament from August 20 to 26, according to the Jamaica Football Federation Technical Committee. No, this one is surprising. No, it's not. It's not surprising, actually. We all expected to see something of this sort. I do believe that we all knew about this, but we just never really wanted to accept it. We knew that this is the case, but we just never wanted to accept it because we want to see the reason why. What is the reason for it? What's the reason for this? So I do believe that that is the necessary case. I do believe that that's what many people are really questioning. What's the reason for it? And so, as it stands, they're still questioning. I do believe that it might be the assistant in Mirren Garden who will be conducting this. And I already said, despite I know Mirren Garden as a good youth coach, I'm not sure if he is at the level he has yet to manage the senior team, but we will see how that one pens. We will see how that one matriculates going forward. Anyways, I won't go any further, people, until I get a lot more details on this one specifically. So I'll see you guys again until next time, people. We'll see how this one goes. Paul Hall will not, it's official now that Paul Hall will not be taking control of the team for the 14 minute tournament. For me, that's very, very poor. I really understand the reason why they are moving away from Paul Hall, but I 100% disagree with the move. 100%. This is actually showing a lack of vision by the Jamaica Football Federation. But people, we'll be doing a longer stream on this one, entailing a lot more details. So until next time, people, I'll see you guys again. We're out. Hit the like button, people. Share the video as well. Until next time, people, we're out. Like, share, and subscribe.